Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you are doing well at home. Welcome back to my class. As you all know that we are discussing 10th lesson, the lion and the mouse. We have completed explanation part. Now let us see textbook bits reading part. So please take out page number 119. The reading part, answer these questions. First one, why was lion angry? Can you say, children, why was lion angry? Okay, so lion was angry because mouse had wakened him up from his sleep. Very good. Next, second, what happened a few days later? So, a few days later, hunters came into the forest in the morning to catch the lion, and they tied the lion in a net with ropes. Okay. Third, don't move, Mr. Lion. I will help you. How did Mouse plan to help Lion? Yeah, the mouse planned to bite through the rope and the net with some help from his friends. Okay, fourth one. Thank you, my little friends. What lesson did Lion learn in the end? Who said thank you, my little friends? Yes, Lion said. And what he learned? He learned that even the tiniest thing can help the largest animals. Okay, so that was the answer of these questions. Next is Bibit. Put these sentences in the correct order and number them from 1 to 8. Already you can see that first one has been done for you. Now let us see first one what he has done. Once a little mouse jumped a lion who was sleeping under a tree. So this is the beginning of the story. The next, the lion was very angry when little mouse jumped onto him. Okay, then comes, can you guess, children? Yes, E. The little mouse said he was very sorry. Okay, then a few days later, the lion was caught in a hunter's net. The little mouse called his friends. This was the fifth one. Then sixth is, they bit the ropes and set the lion free. Then seventh, the lion was very happy to be free again. Eighth, now we know even the tiniest creature can help the big ones. This was the eighth. Now think and answer. Can you say, children, why do you think the lion let the mouse go? Why do you think so? Okay, the answers you have to say me tomorrow. Then second, do you think the mouse had good friends? And why do you feel so? Third, look at the words below and how do you think the lion felt in the end? Here are the options: happy, jealous, grateful, sad, foolish or angry. Yeah, he was so happy. Okay, so well, then know your values is not necessary, no need to learn. So what is the moral of the story? We need other people's help for many things. We should not laugh at anyone who offers to help us. Okay, children, you should help others, but you should not laugh when you are helping to someone. Now, here is the grammar part. Read these sentences. A large lion is fast asleep under a tree on the banks of river. A tiny mouse is playing behind the tree. The words in color are prepositions of place. A preposition of place or position word tells us where a person, a place or a thing is. In, on, under, above, behind and between are all prepositions of place. Here, preposition is one of the part of speech, children, and it shows the position of a person, place or thing. Here under, on and behind. These are the preposition of place. It shows where the person, place or thing is. Okay. Now here are some examples of preposition of place. In, on, under, above, behind and between and many more. So based on this grammar part you have exercise A. Circle the correct preposition to complete these sentences. First one. There is a clock dash the wall. THERE there, IS is a CLOCK clock dash THE the WALL wall. In or on? Yes, on the wall. Okay. Second. THE the RIVER river FLOWS flows dash THE the BRIDGE bridge. The river flows dash the bridge. Between or under? Yes, under. UNDER under. As you can see here, the river flows under the bridge. Under means uske niche. Next, third. My house is dash the library and the park. My HOUSE house. IS is dash THE the LIBRARY library and THE the PARK park. Between or on? Yes, between is the correct answer. My house is between the library and the park. Between means बीच में, दोनों के बीच में. Okay. Next, Aditi is hiding dash the door. ADITI Aditi. IS is HIDING hiding dash THE the DOOR door. Aditi is hiding dash the door. Behind or in? Behind. Behind means पीछे. BEHIND behind. You have to circle. Next, fifth. THE the PHONE phone. IS is dash MY my BAG bag. The phone is dash my bag. Between or in? Yes, in means under. My phone is in my bag. I and in. You have to circle. 6. THE the PICTURE picture. IS is dash THE the SOFA sofa. The picture is dash the sofa. Above or in? Yes, above. ABOVE above means ऊपर. Next, 7th. MANAV Manav RIDES rides dash a TAXI taxi. Manav rides dash a taxi. In or on? In. Yes. He is sitting in a taxi. Not on. On means ऊपर. In means under. Okay. Next, 8th. A FLY fly SAT sat dash THE the TABLE table. A fly sat dash on the table. In or on? Yes, on is the correct answer. Well, so children, that's all for today. Till here I'll stop. The remaining bits I'll be explaining you in the next video. So till then, keep learning and keep practicing. Take care. Bye-bye.